I'm going to show you how to get automatic refunds on your Google Ads simply by installing software that blocks bots and competitors from clicking on your ads. And as you can see in this screenshot, we saved our clients over 23,000 US dollars simply from blocking this traffic. And so what happens is it will install into your Google Ads and your website, and it will 24/7 block IP addresses for you now. So let's say that we go add website once you've logged in, and we can put in a website, paste that in, and then it's going to say all set, install fraud blocker, and then it's going to give us this code. So we need to add this in the head tag of our website. We use Elementor for all of our website building. So inside of Elementor, there's a custom code section, which is really cool. So I don't have to install some third-party plugin. I hate plugins. And so what you'll need to do is click on new code, and then we're going to install this together. So I might type in fraud blocker, and then what you'll want to do is add it into the code like so. Make it a priority 1 or 2 is fine, and then publish. You'll want to make sure it goes across your entire website like so, and then save and close. And then from here, if you've got some caching tool, just flush the cache or clear the site cache, that's fine. And then what you'll want to do is wait a couple of minutes. The reason is it needs to check installation. So if we've got this, it'll probably say, it's not verified yet. So we'll come back in about a minute or two and then re-verify it. Okay, so what we'll want to do is refresh, and then we'll want to check the installation again. Click check installation, and then it's all done successfully. Now all we'll need to do is install your Google Ads account so that it can actually block the IP addresses and match them to the website visitors that you're getting. So what you want to do is click on connect Google Ads, and then sign in with the Google Ads profile of your choice. And from here, you can select the Google Ads account of your choice. So I'm just going to type it in. We'll connect this one here. We'll let it load for a second, and then it should be good to go. There we are. So it's all connected. And then when I revisit this, I can go into the dashboard and see any progress, like whether or not it's blocked any traffic, how many website visitors has it blocked, any rage clicks or invalid clicks, and all that kind of jazz. I can go deeper into the reports of where these people are coming from specifically, connect meta if I want, and go from there. So if you've got any questions, let me know. More than happy to answer, and I'll see you in the next video.